My hat!
Going on tone, followed by Chevelle, Phil, Clay, and Michael. Marco on the tone. Chevelle, Phil, Clay, and Michael. All right, drivers, remember it's just you versus the clock. Try not to race another driver. Work together, save some time. You can only lose tenths by letting someone go by, but you can lose a second if you hit and end up on your side. Right now, opening laps, a 23.0 out of Phil, a 25.3 out of Marco, 31.6 out of Chevelle, 25.7 out of Clay. A little family feud going on there. And a 25.1 out of Michael. Oh! So this is going to be a semi-truck race slash derby. Got a little bit, don't know if that's actually bump trapping or just bumping. Man, Clay's got some motor. All right. So it's going to be Phil Bourne in the one at a pace of 14.18. Michael 12.03. Marco 12.08. Clay 12.25. Chevelle 10.27. You can blame that on her father. I remember you're the guy that take my lunch money when I was a kid. No. All right, coming up at 3 minutes remaining. It's still going to be Phil on top of the leaderboard at a 14.16. Michael at a 12 flat. Marco at a 12.07. Clay 12.18. Chevelle 10.10. Fast lap going to be set by Phil at a 22.0. For guys, it is just qualifying work together. Oh, 2 trucks just going to the wall. Luckily, the cab kind of bounces a little bit. You hit the wall, bounces back, you're good to go again. The other great thing about these trucks is if you do get them on their side, they tend to kind of right side themselves. All right, drivers, coming up on 2 minutes remaining, 2 minutes remaining. Still going to be Phil, Michael, Marco. That's going to be your top 3, followed by Clay and Chevelle. Whoa. All right, orange truck taking the option line through the pits. All right, drivers coming up on a minute 10 remaining, minute 10 remaining. Still going to be Phil, Michael, and Marco, followed by Clay and Chevelle. Phil holding on a fast lap with a 21.8. Last time by for him to be a 22.2. Last time by for Michael, 24.3. And here comes Clay. 24.2. Chevelle, 31.0. And Marco 25.0, Phil coming across the 21.9. 30 seconds to go, drivers, 30 seconds to go. I'm not too sure if there's going to be a break between round 1 and 2, so the best thing advice I could give is please be ready. Looking at the time of which we started and how much time and how much we got to get through today, I'm going to assume there's going to be no break. All right, drivers, master clock's about to expire. Everybody keep going. Everybody keep going. So I'm curious though, is there a speed difference between how the cabs are, the bodies? I don't remember that one. I just remember the cab over is all we had. Alright, let's just wait on one more truck. Wait on that orange truck cross. And that's right, it's everybody done. It's going to be top three, going to be Phil, Michael, and Marco. Phil throwing down a pace of a 14:15.